Wells Fargo upgraded to overweight at Atlantic Equities, the firm raising its price target to 60 from 50. It's our call of the day. Steph, you own this one.
I do. It is my largest bank holding by far. Obviously, the analyst is late. The stock was up 60% in 21. It's up 14% year to date, but better late than never because it's still cheap at 1.3 times book. And the restructuring is kind of just getting legs, Mel. It's getting momentum. The expense guide was really good at their last quarter, about $51.5 billion versus 53 last year, so year over year getting better. And the gross savings could be something like 10 billion for the company versus 8 billion initially guided to. Loan growth is definitely there. It has more to go, I think. But the real reason you own this is because it's the most sensitive to rates. Every 50 basis point increase in Fed funds is about 16% to earnings and 7% to net interest income. So good quarter, momentum is there. I think we haven't even heard about the asset cap lift, and that'll be a positive, a real positive when that occurs. Oh, and by the way, they just increased their dividend 2 weeks ago. So I still like it. I like the call, I guess.
Should we assume, Josh Brown, that the environment will be a positive one, constructive one for financials?
I think that depends on the degree to which the yield curve actually steepens. The problem with this story over the last week is that actually we're seeing that yield curve flatten. The market does not believe economic growth will be nearly as robust a year out as it's been over the last year. And so it makes it a little bit difficult for a lot of the traditional financial stocks to continue the rallies they've seen. That said, I think the consumer stays strong. I think construction stays strong. I think there'll be tons of capital markets activity on Wall Street, everything from lending to trading to M&A. So I would not run away from the sector. And I still think there's a lot of value in names like JP Morgan at the current levels.